Okay, so this is a simple guide on how to upgrade an old laptop to have an SSD. The reason we like to use SSDs is because when a computer is on its last leg and there's nothing actually physically wrong with the hardware, this is the best way to get the most speed out of it for the remainder of its possible lifespan. But before you do anything to the computer, you first need to always unhook the battery. To locate the hard drive in the laptop, you just flip over it and look on the back. In this case, it has been conveniently labeled for you. Here you can see a disk icon on the back of the laptop indicating where the hard drive's location is. Now this is not always the case. Sometimes this is not labeled for you. In that case, you just kind of have to guess. Know what the size is of a laptop hard drive and find a cover that is about that size, and usually that is where it will be. Remove the two screws that is on the back holding the cover on. And take off the cover. Here we can see that our hard drive is held in with a small screw located right here, and it is actually a smaller bit than our cover screws, so I switched out to a smaller Phillips tip bit to remove this screw. Okay, and you should be able to simply slide out the hard drive. Located on the hard drive is a holder that holds it in with 4 screws. We remove these 4 screws and then install the SSD onto it. Make sure you orient the drive, that way when mounted it will slide in the correct way into the laptop. Okay, switch out your bit to the smaller Phillips tip, slide in the SSD as such, then put back your screw to secure it in, which is replace the cover, switch back to the bigger Phillips tip in this instance, this laptop now has an SSD. You're ready to install the operating system. Thanks for watching.